Hey foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making pasta salad. It's not all about you, Alex. Other people like pasta salad. So anyways, what you'll need, this pasta, because it's the best. Cornmeal pepperoni.
Bacon bits.
Thank you.
Violet.
Green olives. You can use whatever Italian dressing you want. Make it yourself. I don't have time. I'm not doing that. So I'm using Zesty Robusto Italian dressing by Wishbone.
Really, all you need is 10 seconds to make a salad dressing.
I'm gonna make a vinaigrette.
Because this is trouble. There's only 20 seconds left on the clock, so I'm gonna make a salad. Because my original dish burned to a crisp because I wasn't paying attention. And black olives. Then I decided to add chicken. I have done a marinade. This is the marinade I used. Garlic, herb, and wine. 15 minutes, but it's been sitting for longer than 15 minutes. So on my stove, I have a pot of boiling water. Kihro, do you want to put the pasta in the water?
Mm-hmm. All three?
All three. And Alex, do you want to go ahead and open the jars of olives? I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken on my preheated skillet because it should be heated up by now.
Alright, so 3 boxes in.
Just put them off to the side.
Oh, okay.
Traffic jam in the kitchen.
Do the kitchen dance.
Oh,
There goes the pepperoni.
Oh no!
open that, please. Did you open this?
Not the pepperoni.
I'm draining the olives. I didn't tell Alex to do that, so I'm not going to hold it against him that he didn't do that.
Want to get the can green?
Hell yeah.
And that's how you do it.
You got them up to those olives right away.
Well, I did just go to the gym today.
Oh.
Worked out those arms.
Alright, who wants to cut the pepperoni?
I am.
Well, Liz doesn't like my cutting, so...
No, I want to show you what to do.
Don't want to cut your shit either.
Like that. Can you do that?
Sure. How many do you want?
I don't know. Enough?
Hold back.
Enough?
Okay.
Not the whole bag.
Pass it back.
You were laughing at me?
No, those are my shoes.
Oh.
Hey, Alex.
Hey.
You know, you could potentially take like a stack of like 20 pepperonis
I could.
and cut them all at once instead of cutting one pepperoni at a time. All right. Yeah, just like that, bud. You got it. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. All right.
I love how me and Kyle are just standing here, watching Alex cut up the pepperoni.
It's fascinating.
Is that enough?
Yeah, sure. Getting the colander because you'll need one to drain your pasta.
Pro hack. All the home chefs out there. Colanders.
It's a must.
Are there people that don't know about colanders?
We're also just waiting for the chicken and the pasta to cook. Alex, tell us about your job.
I work at an amazing bookstore. I love it. I spend all my money on books.
And say the name of the store,
It's
or
called Half Price Books. So stop by. There's actually 2 locations. One in Paradise Valley and one in Mesa, Arizona.
they only have 2 locations now?
In Arizona?
Why did I think there was more?
No. There was 3 when the Camelback store was open.
Oh.
Well, apparently there was one in Tempe that I never knew about that got closed down before I even started working for the company. Oh. I've been working for the company a lot longer than COVID.
No, I mean the first coat.
Oh.
For the first COVID.
Right, did you guys want to cut up the olives, or?
I don't care.
I don't know how this goes.
You not had pasta salad before?
Not that, no, not this.
Alex, other people that aren't you like pasta salad.
Okay. I'm just saying he's lucky that they never had it.
Shut up.
That's gonna change today.
Normally, I don't put chicken in my pasta salad, but I got yelled at for not eating enough protein, so I'm adding it to the pasta salad. So when I eat it during the week, I can actually get some more protein.
Were you yelled at by your doctor or by Anthony?
By my personal trainer. Anthony is not my personal trainer. He like ran over there. I was like, I'm just getting a cutting board.
I'm getting over here because this is my position to like keep an eye on everything and my drink.
Excuse me. So what I want to do, I'm going to cut up the chicken and then put it back in the pan. Because the center is never going to cook properly. Jeez, and this, and I should have done it earlier, but I didn't. My bad. Can someone check on the pasta?
Oh, that's good.
If I roll my eyes any harder, they're going to be out of my head.
Maybe somebody who actually enjoys pasta salad should take the looks so they know how it's supposed to look.
Do you not know what pasta is supposed to look like when it's done? Aren't you Italian? Aren't you supposed to know that? My dog is being adorable right now. He's off camera, but just know he's a very cute dog. But just also know, at least he's pretty. If you know, you know. And I know they're not all uniform. I don't care. Oh, now I've lost my hands.
I hope you will wash your hands after this evening.
Oh, yeah. I'm good.
Did the pasta taste done? 2
Oh yeah,
more
fine.
minutes.
It's cool.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
That's usually what happens when you put a pan on the stove.
Walking.
Oh.
Are you the reason that they need careful this gets hot warnings?
No? Okay. Chicken's almost done. But while it's finished off cooking, you guys want to go ahead and add all of the ingredients into the pot. Like Kihro put some stuff in, and it's also his show.
I was about to. If I might have people like me to doing everything? Yeah.
Oh, Alex, is there being a guest on our show?
You gotta break it up, you gotta break it up. Alex, I'll break up the thing.
I know, it's like she's never heard the word please.
Please, Alex, thanks.
Sure, no problem, since you asked so nicely.
Oh, that's much brighter.
Are we putting the green olives in there too?
Yes, but not the whole thing, like half. But don't get any of that juice in there. Be creative, I guess.
Got a colander.
You have a colander.
Colander.
Hot.
We did.
The chicken's done. I know I said not the whole thing, but we gotta pour the whole thing.
A lot of interesting ingredients.
It's pasta salad.
Might as well just take the cap off.
Yeah, no cap.
No cap!
Oh, goodness.
Skibbity Ohio Italian dressing.
Don't worry, I'm gonna mix it all together. Y'all can stop judging me.
Mix,
Who
mix,
was
mix.
judging you?
For cargo, oh my goodness.
That maybe the people watching.
I don't care. And they can just scroll past it and then whatever. Watch the next one. Here, you wanna go get some bowls? It's mixed enough. Give Alex the tiniest bit because he hates it. He don't even get to taste it with the chicken because I don't think there was a piece of chicken in that one.
A tiny piece. Spill something.
Just waiting for it.
Oh, Ira?
No, he's licking the floor like.
He always
Spill.
licks the floor because he's a freak.
Great, now that ASPCA is gonna get mad at us.
Like they never called their dogs freaks. Alright, and then it's done. And then you have a nice pasta dish that you can eat during the week at work. Alex hates pasta salad, so.
This is actually really good. Why don't you make it this one ever?
This is the pasta salad I make all the time. I make this
No.
pasta salad all of the time, and you always say you don't want any. I make it all the time.
No, you don't. I've had
Anthony,
pasta
don't I
salad.
make this all the time?
Except for the chicken.
It's actually really good.
Well, foodies, let us know if you tried making this and if you like it.
Until next time.
Bye!